Hello, Stallions. For this math activity, I need you to get a pencil and a crayon. Please write your name at the top of your paper. Pause the video to write your name. Great job, friends. We are learning about comparing lengths. So today, we are going to use the math vocabulary word longer. Let's go ahead and start with our first box. We're going to look at the pictures of these tickets. In order to see which ticket is longer, we have to make sure we're looking at the endpoints. So as we can see, they're both starting on the same endpoint. When we find out which one is longer, we have to look at the picture and see which one stops before the other and which one keeps going. So if I look at these two, they're starting on the same endpoint. This one appears to stop before this one does. This one goes a little bit longer. So with my crayon, I'm going to color in this circle right here. That shows that this ticket is longer than the other one. Great job filling in your circle. Let's look at the next box. We're going to look at some bow ties now. We have to see if they start on the same endpoint. All right, so they're starting. Here's their endpoints. They're pretty close. Now, to find out which one is longer than the other, we have to see which one stops and which one keeps going. Go ahead and color in the bow tie that is longer than the other one. Pause the video. All right, moving on. Now we're going to compare some, looks like, a circus stand. There's our endpoints. They're lined up. Which one is longer and keeps going past the other? Make your decision by coloring in the circle. Great job. Oh, wow. I see some, it looks like part of a circus train. Well, let's see where their endpoints are this time. Oh, here they are. They're lined up on this side now. That's okay. Now, in order to see which one is longer, we're just going to compare going this way. Which one keeps going past the other? Color in the circle to show which one is longer. Excellent. Oh, wow, look at these bears. They're balancing on a ball. Well, this time we're going to compare the height and see which one is taller. So when we talk about the height of something, we still need to look at endpoints. But now our endpoint is on the ground. Which bear goes past the other bear? Oh, there's the taller bear. Great job. Wow, look at these elephants. Here's our endpoint on the ground. Color in the circle that shows which elephant is taller. Excellent work today, my friends.